Alright, welcome back to the kitchen. Now we're gonna go back to our roots, record off the phone, even though the YouTube app really can't record off the phone anymore. So this is what we're doing. I'm bored. My roommate's off with his girlfriend drinking some wine. Probably should have went, but I don't know. But I'm kind of hungry, and I thought since I had the opportunity to have this illustrious apartment by myself, I figured I'd cook something for you guys. Today we're gonna be cooking a pizza. Now you're probably wondering, BigNorv, that's a lot of fucking stuff to do in this short amount of time in video on the phone. You're right. So I got some shortcuts for you. Check this shit out. You ready? Step one. Just order a fucking pizza. It's that fucking simple. I don't got fucking time to cook this shit. Like, that's it. What do you want? Call your favorite pizza joint, order a pizza. Bada bing, bada boom. Cooking with BigNorv, aka you're fat and lazy because you don't want to cook food. I got fettuccine alfredo in the fucking cabinet, but I don't want to fucking fetty my chini. You know what I mean? Okay. See you guys later. It's a joke. Relax. I'm not a comedian. See you later.